Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Art Whisper 88. Now this is Acrylic Titanium White, and I want to try a fearless printmaking session. I will not be using any devices like stencils or collage. This will be purely an abstract exercise, and instead of black I'm going to do white as my first layer. So I am applying some titanium white, and instead of a brayer I will be using my silicone color shaper. This is 3 inches. You can get this from Amazon or other art supply vendors, and I find it very useful. It really creates these wonderful textures that are very different from the marks made by a brayer or a brush. Now, just by pushing the paint around on the gel plate, it's a source of great pleasure. And it's kind of like a warm-up exercise as well. Now, since I oiled the plate several nights ago, you can see that the acrylic paint is beginning to show a lace pattern. But that's all right. I do like that. It adds some interest to the print. Okay. So I'm going to let this dry a little bit. I'm turning on my ceiling fan, and I will be back in a few minutes. Okay, this layer of white is, I would say, 80% dry. So this is Naples Yellow by Soho Acrylic. I'm just going to put some random spots here of Naples Yellow. This is Cadmium Orange. This is Green Gold. And here is some Cadmium Blue Green. Okay, that's quite a mix of colors. So I will use my 3-inch brayer to spread this out. I'll start with the Naples yellow. This is really a very big plate, and I'm actually standing on a footstool. Otherwise I won't be able to reach this top part because I'm not tall enough. Okay. I'm going to refrain from doing any scribbling this time. Again, this is my Richardson watercolor paper. This is 22 by 30 inches and it's 135 pound and it's cold press. Okay, I'm going to leave this on for about 5 to 6 minutes and I will be back in a few minutes. Okay, let's see how we made out. I think we have a very nice transfer. I can tell from the first few inches when I pull open the paper. This has a very different atmosphere compared to when I use Mars Black. This has a lighter, more summery kind of feel. Okay. Very cool. Check this out. So we'll let this air dry. In the meantime, I have some more wonderful entries from my open call, and I would like to share them with you. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that very talented group of submissions. Now here is a close-up, and I really like the lace pattern created by the white against the color background. It's really very delicate if you look very closely, like spider webs. And for this reason, I think this is a standalone print. I don't think I need to add anything else. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. And thanks to all you wonderful viewers who submitted your work. Please keep sending your pics to Fulton at fultonartdesign.com. I will put a link in the description box below if you would like to share your artwork with our ever-growing community. And please pay a visit to artwhisper88.com, which is my storefront. Any sales or donations will help to keep this channel going. So thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you next time.